Tesla has announced that Gigafactory Berlin, one of its two new electric vehicle factories, has successfully produced 2,000 vehicles per week. This translates to a Model Y production rate of more than 100,000 units per year, a remarkable achievement for such a young facility. Welcome to Tech Heaven, and in this video we'll take a look at Tesla Model Y Giga Berlin latest production update. Curious to know? Let's find out. Tesla announced in June that Giga Berlin was producing 1,000 Model Ys per week. The speed with which Giga Berlin's recent fit occurred is particularly intriguing. This suggests that Tesla Germany was able to double its Model Y output in a relatively short period of time. Interestingly, previous insider reports have hinted at Tesla Germany's ability to produce 2,000 Model Ys per week. In August, for example, it was reported that Tesla Germany hoped to achieve weekly Model Y production of 2,000 vehicles by the end of September. This also implies that Tesla could very well meet its goal of producing 5,000 cars per week by Q1 2023. As hinted at last month's open door event in Grünheide. Giga Berlin now produces over 100,000 Model Y vehicles per year at a rate of 2,000 per week. With this level of output, Giga Berlin could significantly boost Tesla's fourth quarter earnings. After all, the EV maker's Q4 figures are expected to be record-breaking, especially after the release of the EV maker's Q3 2022 vehicle delivery and production report. The facility underwent upgrades in July in order to improve vehicle production. These improvements paved the way for the facility's aggressive ramp. The Gigafactory Berlin is an important part of Tesla's European strategy. The factory is in charge of producing the Model Y, an all-electric crossover that Musk believes will eventually become the world's best-selling vehicle, both in terms of revenue and volume. With such lofty goals in mind, Giga Berlin needs to ramp up Model Y production as soon as possible. After a fire broke out at Tesla's Gigafactory Berlin early Monday morning, local citizen groups in Germany demanded that production be halted. Tesla's German Gigafactory is located in Grünheide, Germany, about 20 miles southeast of central Berlin. It is one of several Tesla Gigafactories around the world, including Giga Nevada, Giga New York, Giga Shanghai, and Giga Texas. The Berlin Gigafactory opened in March to much fanfare, with Elon Musk and German Chancellor Olaf Scholz in attendance. Tesla delivered the first batch of 30 Model Y cars to customers on the first day of sales. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic, despite the initial excitement, the factory has encountered numerous issues since its inception, including the need to halt production for several weeks to address various issues. Tesla halted production at the facility for 2 weeks in July due to at least 3 major issues. For starters, the cars took an abnormally long time to produce, preventing Tesla from meeting the high demand for its Model Y crossover. Workers were also reportedly required to spend far too much time fixing flaws on already assembled cars, raising costs and reducing margins. Finally, the company was said to be struggling with a shortage of skilled workers, which was preventing it from increasing output. According to the local German newspaper Märkische Oberzeitung, a fire broke out in the early hours of Monday at Giga Berlin after 800 cubic meters of paper, cardboard and wood caught fire at the recycling plant on the factory grounds. It reportedly took 50 firefighters, including 12 from Tesla's own firefighting brigade, hours to extinguish the flames. However, no injuries were reported, and the fire was reportedly contained within the recycling plant, implying that the actual manufacturing facility was unaffected. While Tesla has yet to comment on the incident, some local citizen groups are calling for production to be halted at the facility until the incident is thoroughly investigated. Grünheide, for example, claimed that the production at the factory should be halted until the cause of the fire was determined and safety measures put in place to prevent similar incidents in the future. It should be noted that the same group had previously called for Tesla's license to be revoked following a paint leak at the Berlin Gigafactory. Furthermore, various environmental groups have raised concerns about the factory, primarily because of its high water consumption. The 1.4 million cubic meters of water required by the plant each year, according to the group, will result in a drinking water shortage in the region. Tesla, on the other hand, denies the allegations. Tesla wants to further reduce Giga Berlin's water consumption. It is especially concerned with reducing fresh water consumption. Giga Berlin currently consumes about 2.2 cubic meters of fresh water per car. Its water consumption already covers Tesla's planned in-house battery manufacturing line in Germany. According to Tesla, the average freshwater consumption in the automotive industry is around 4 cubic meters. According to the ACEA, water consumption in EU car production has dropped by 30.5% since 2006. Automakers use 3.76 cubic meters of water per vehicle as of July 2022. According to RBB, citing its own research, Grünheide is now the state of Brandenburg's largest private employer. Giga Berlin now employs approximately 7,000 people from over 50 countries, representing a 3,000-person increase since May. Following Tesla, the Extraction Group, LEAG, has the second highest number of staff. The top 5 largest employers in the area are Rolls-Royce in Dahlewitz, BASF in Schwarzheide, and the PCK refinery in Schwedt. Despite record employee growth, Tesla is still expanding its workforce, with plans to hire up to 12,000 people at Giga Berlin. Tesla's goal is to produce 500,000 vehicles per year, so the expansion makes sense. In a LinkedIn post in September, Tesla welcomed 120 apprentices and students to Giga Berlin. Tesla expressed its delight at seeing so many young people begin their careers at Tesla. Giga Berlin is now the largest training facility in Brandenburg, according to the company. Tesla is often partnering with universities and colleges to recruit students for its workforce. Tesla recently partnered with Western Nevada College to train 62 Tesla employees through the college's manufacturing technician program here in the United States. Project Sandy and the Nevada Governor's Office of Workforce Innovation are funding the program. 47 students received grant funding for the Technology Level 1 certification program in total. The remaining 15 received funding for WNC's Mechatronic Technology program. Both programs will assist employees in their training for careers in mechanical technology and engineering. According to Tesla's production engineering supervisor, Nicholas Schaefer, the program has helped his junior technicians gain basic theory knowledge, allowing them to understand automation processes and develop methodical troubleshooting methods. The MechTech course has inspired some of their veteran technicians to hone their troubleshooting skills and advance their careers at Tesla. Tesla has also collaborated closely with Austin Community College and the Del Valle Independent School District to train students for manufacturing jobs at Giga Texas. Tesla has a number of programs with various schools that are beneficial to its mission and workforce development. Gigafactory Austin collaborated closely with several local schools and universities during its construction. It also launched its START program with Austin Community College, where students can gain hands-on experience for a career in manufacturing at Tesla. Giga Berlin is still in its early stages, so it has a long way to go. Giga Shanghai, a more mature Tesla factory, was reported to be aiming for a daily output of 3,000 vehicles. Expectations are high that Giga Shanghai will continue to expand its output, especially as Tesla builds another vehicle production facility nearby. Giga Berlin, on the other hand, is no slouch, with Tesla SVP of Powertrain and Energy Engineering Drew Bellino stating on the Q2 2022 earnings call that the German factory could produce 5,000 Model Ys per week by the end of the year. And with that being said, it's time to end our video, but before that, we'd like to know what are your views about Giga Berlin's production update? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.